As you guys can tell from the title of this video, I bought one of my dream cars. Ever since it came out, I've been super fond of it. In my opinion, it's one of the most photogenic cars to ever exist. I've shot a fefew myself, and I've watched a ton of YouTube videos featuring this car. Without wasting any more time, I present to you guys my new to me 2015 BMW F82 M4. I always knew I wanted one of these. I didn't know I'd get my hands on one this soon. I'm super excited to get my hands on one. As I said in the intro, I did shoot a few short films with these before. I shot that Austin yellow one like 3 or 4 years ago. And then more recently, I shot Marco's Conzi short. He has a 2018 LCI F80 M3. And that kind of like completely flipped the switch of how capable these cars are. Seeing him drift in 3rd gear and seeing how easy it is to push power with these, it just made me want one even more. And then just scrolling through Instagram. Honestly, if you're a car enthusiast, anywhere you go on Reels, you'll see someone doing 360s in an F80 or F82. You'll see someone hitting a corner in the rain, in the dry. You'll see homies in 4th gear left foot braking for no reason. They're just insane. Out the box, these cars are just nuts. So when this deal popped up, I couldn't resist. I decided that this is the time I own a German car, and I pulled the trigger. Yeah, for the last 40 days dealing it, as of how it looks like right now, I've loved every second of it. So let me show you guys around my new M4. As you guys can tell, I'm going for the Mafia spec on this one. Up front, have a carbon lip, Varis style. Have some Vossen HF5s. I absolutely love how these wheels look like on these. And when these came out for sale, I just couldn't resist. Had to buy them. M4 chrome bits, these are gonna get blacked out here soon. Carbon fiber mirrors, added those myself. Carbon fiber M performance splitter, added that myself as well. The car came when I bought it with GTS style taillights. Anyone doesn't know, these things first shine up, go down. It's a little sequence. I love them. Those are staying. Then I got a PSM style rear diffuser. I kind of got carried away with the Mafia spec, black on black on black. I feel like it's only right you have one of those cars in your lifetime. This is my time to shine with it. And me personally, I'm super excited about it. It's the dead of winter right now. I've only got to experience this thing in the rain. Summer is just around the corner. I can't wait to drive this thing where it's not super wet on the ground. I can't catch traction in any gear, period. So super stoked on it. Let me know what you guys think. Without further ado, I'm gonna be installing the cheapest FX8 mod. The cheapest, best FX8 mod in my opinion. And that's mid pipes. A lot of you guys will beg to differ because with the downpipe and a tune, you can be making 500 horsepower with these cars. But your competing mods are front lips, rear diffusers, but if you buy one of those, it's just gonna look incomplete. Unless you can get side skirts, front lip, and rear diffuser for 500 bucks, I don't think it's worth just having a rear diffuser with no side skirts or front lip. So I'm gonna call this the cheapest, best FX8 mod. Mid pipe. We're currently en route to INR Performance. Isaiah is taking on the task of throwing the mid pipe on this car. Super stoked. I'm doing a mad single mid pipe, which will be kind of nice. It's a similar product to the VRSF mid pipe. It should take away some of the rasp. 500 bucks to make your car sound like completely different. This is just a tune with the exhaust flaps open, completely stock F82 exhaust, the GTS tune. So. Can't really hear anything. I'm pretty sure if you guys hear anything, it's gonna be the intakes. This thing has SSR intakes. Besides that, completely stock.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Good to see you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet you.
Nice
How
to
you
meet
doing?
you. Doing good? This is it?
I love it. The wheels, wow.
We're at INR Performance, got my F82 here. And yeah, this is Isaiah, the guy that runs INR.
What's up, guys? How you doing?
You wanna give us a rundown of what you do?
Yeah, so I make custom exhaust, install performance parts, whatever you need, you know, we do it all here.
Yeah, this is a shop. I don't think I've seen a cleaner shop in my life. Like literally, like all the lighting and everything. and then I show up with cooler inventory. I'm gonna also be shooting a cinematic video for the reveal and also for some Instagram clips. So I'm gonna try to film as much as I can for the vlog. I don't know how much that'll be, but I'll try my best. Let's get this thing up in the air and start on the install. Overall, install went pretty smooth. There is some things that he had to finesse to make it fit, but I mean, as any pre-built kit, some days the jig might be off just a little bit, so you do got to do a little bit of your own tweaking. But yeah, I'm stoked to hear this thing with just a mid-pipe on. Again, for anyone that's taking reference, if you have an S55 and you're thinking of modifying it, this is stock S55 MHD GTS tune, then just a mad mid-pipe. So I paid $503 for this thing on sale. For $503, I did not think you can go wrong with this. Yeah, hopefully it sounds a little bit more deep. Definitely hoping that's louder, which, I mean, you can look at the old exhaust. Yeah, so you're getting rid of 2 cats, 1 resonator, so this thing is definitely gonna be louder for a start. Efficient. That is way louder.
Exhausts are life-changing. I'm telling you, if you're bored of your car, it's not something that you wanted. I'm telling you, change the exhaust, start with the exhaust, and it's life-changing. It's worth it every single time.
I don't know what I was expecting. I don't think I expected it to be that loud from just mid-pipe, but it sounds good. I mean, the only thing to test out now is just under load, see what it does.
Go get some clips, maybe some drift clips.
The best part about this is on idle, it is still quiet. This is literally idle, open valves right here. And you might be confused because you don't hear anything, but it's really that quiet. Like, it's really best of both worlds. I'm sure with the valves closed, you're more than incognito. Once they open up, this thing just screams. So my goal with this was to hear the farts when it shifts a lot more prominent. And from that one pole right there, you can definitely hear them way more.
Sounds good.
It sounds really good.
No, that's nice.
That sounds so good. We'll go right here. Turn around right here.
Turn around right here.
Okay, so I have the burble set right now. Those are probably gonna go to way less. I think it's too much burble for my liking, but way deeper and way better tone. Definitely need to do some tuning on MHD though. I think I'm gonna do the burbles a little bit less aggressive and then just tone it down for like a split second. I think right now it's at almost 1 second with the stock tune and stock exhaust. It was kind of nice, but now that we have a mid pipe, I definitely want them just less burbles. But yeah, let's go wrap up this install.